In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your X account public. So in the past, if you've made your account private for whatever reason, maybe you've just wanted to hide your account, maybe you wanted to just use it for friends and family. If you've made it private before, you can make it public again, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So once you've loaded up X, you want to head over to your profile. So go to your profile icon in the top left hand corner, and you can see here WebTeach. My profile has a lock icon next to it, which means it's private. So I want to now go to settings and support, which is at the bottom. That will open up these three settings. Now we want to click on settings and privacy, then head over to the fifth one down, which is going to be privacy and safety. And once you're here, you want to go to audience and tagging. Then protect your posts. If it is private, if your account is private, this is going to be green. If this is green, you want to just check this and turn it off essentially. Now you can also turn off this second one as well, and with both of them turned off, your account will now be public, and that's basically all you've got to do.